My bad, y'all. I know you've been patiently waiting for the drip. Man, do you see this? This is one of my most proud pieces, man. Two-tone, honeycomb, flooded, man. A guy came with the bag. This is my repeat client. He's done purchase from us several times. He came and dropped the bag, waited patiently. We have not heard from this guy. He already knows how we operate. He's been rocking with us. It's probably his third or fourth grill he brought from us. So you see the back is still got that fully, all the gum lines. It's got the stamp on the back of the tooth, man. You kidding me? This is 10K, two-tone. So every other tooth is yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow. Fully flooded, bro. You kidding me? This is insanity, man. The evolution of grills, man. We're trying our best to stay up with the times. So if anyone got set like this, man, you could rock this with a yellow gold chain. You could rock this with a white gold chain. You could rock this with both. You could rock it with the two-tone chains. You know, the ones like Fabulous, the yellow and the white. I mean, this is just so many things we could do with this, man. Appreciate you guys for tapping in. Hope y'all having a great week. We are sure trying to pound them out. And we're just getting back to recovering from this whole pandemic thing, man. Some of our jewelers actually went down. People think like this is real, man. This is real, bro. Like, no joke. But yeah, thank y'all for everybody that's out there being patient, man. You guys already know we never forget that. And we have a lot of supporters that have been rocking with us for years, and we're gonna keep it that way. So once again, I hope y'all having a blessed week, man, and I hope everything's positive and going good for you. Y'all stay easy, stay blessed, and I'm gonna keep blessing y'all with this good work, hopefully. Man, but this is insane, man. One of my favorite pieces of this week. You see, I still got them gloves on, man. We're not messing around. Every time these pieces come in, they get sprayed down with Lysol, all that, man. We ain't playing. I gotta make sure slow the spread. So look at that, man. That's insane. If you need something like this, you gotta come at least about 3 bands. I could probably go 25, but gotta spread the stones out a little bit more. If you want them many stones as possible, you gotta get the budget up as much as you can. It's all about labor and the cost factor. Let me get into some better lighting. Look at that, man. It's nuts. Kidding me? Yeah, buddy. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all be easy, all right?